Hey guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to repair a 12-inch culvert pipe. Luckily for us, our damage was limited to the top side of our pipe, so we're not actually going to have to cut out this section of pipe. There were some pieces that are hanging down, and we removed those by cutting them out. You don't want anything that is sticking up on the inside of your pipe to catch debris and block up your pipe at this point. So for us, we just cut out this section and we're going to band over it. Now if you did have something that was messed up on the bottom of the pipe, or even more towards the sides where you have a lot of water flow, you're going to need to cut out this entire section of pipe and then band over top of that. But for us, we have it limited to the top, so we're lucky there. So we're just going to need to protect from dirt getting on the inside. Now that you have the piece cut off, what you're going to need to do is dig around the pipe and make sure that you get about 2 inches underneath for those bands to fit. Okay, so what we have here is a 12-inch corrugated band, and this is what we're going to be using to repair this with. What these bands are used for is to connect two pieces of pipe together. You sit one half of the pipe in these two ribs and the other half in these two ribs and close it together. Now you have a longer section of pipe. If you needed to cut this section of pipe out from here to here, what you would do is put in a new piece, band it on one side, and then band it on the other side. Luckily, we don't have to do that. We can just repair over top. So what we do is put your band over the top like this, and now you have a good solid covering over your hole. What you need to do is put it at least back one rib, that way dirt can't get into your band. One thing to note on these bands is these ribs right here sit down into the valleys on your corrugated pipe. If you have any dirt or debris in there, this isn't going to close completely, so make sure all of your ribs are free of dirt. So we ended up using 3 bands to cover our hole, and that gave us one rib on each side to fully encapsulate this so no dirt will get in. The next thing that we're going to need to do is put dirt back in the hole, but make sure that you get it underneath the void in the pipe that we dug underneath it, because if you put all this heavy dirt back on, you're going to get a belly without filling that in. And that pretty much sums everything up. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Head over to Appalachian DIY for more videos and to subscribe. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you next time.